I'm Nick, welcome to Get Out and Wrench. Today, I'm lucky enough to be using a lift, and I'm doing a resonator delete on my wife's 2020 Atlas Cross Sport. So I have the pipe here. There's the pipe, and it's replacing from here. It's getting rid of this mid muffler, and then it goes to about here. This is the 2020 Atlas Cross Sport with the 3.6. So first thing I'm going to do is hold this up, line it up so I can mark where to cut. I'll cut this, take the clamp off on the other side, and that mid muffler should just come right out. And then this came with 2 clamps like this, and you just put it in. Alright, so I made my mark. I'm going to cut. Make sure you wear your safety glasses. And don't use too long of a sawzall blade. You're going to clean up your edges. So you don't have any sharp edges here. Can't really see what I'm doing over there. This way. These exhaust hanger removers are really useful. Just slide on there like that, and then boom, right off. You do same thing on the other one. You want to make sure to put your clamps on first, and you want to check that they're not going to hit anything. So you want to make sure that this part of your clamp isn't going to hit any of your sway bars, your frame rails, or any of that stuff. Also helps to have your hardware in your hands before you put it up. That's up. And that's it. It's installed. Then we'll listen to it and see how it sounds. Well, there you go. Just a little muffler delete on my wife's car. 2020 Atlas Cross Sport with the 3.6 VR6. So it sounds a little better. It's not super loud, which is good because I think that's what you wanted, just a little bit of sound. So I'm Nick. Thanks for watching. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button and get out and wrench.